just wrap up by asking you, Tim Spector, what are you hoping that twin research might reveal that's relevant to all of us in, say, the next decade? What are you hoping your research will head, or where are you hoping it will head?
Well, I think we've now established that most of the traits, disease and personalities are mainly genetic, and that's a crucial thing that twins have done. The next stage is to use twins to help pinpoint the genes involved in these diseases. And what twins specifically can do is by using the identical twin model where, for example, twins are brought up in different environments, say one smoking, one not smoking, we can work out why some environments work on with genes and others don't, and they work differently. So we've found that as we're getting better at molecular biology, we can pinpoint those tiny little mutations in genes that some of them may be caused by our environment. And if we can pinpoint exactly what they are in a bigger scale, then that's a real shortcut to finding cures for some of these diseases.
And Nancy, just quickly, as a psychologist, what are you hoping you'll be able to find out?
Well, I'm most interested in social relationships in identical and fraternal twins, that really close bond that the identical twins seem to share. And I couldn't help but listen to these twins out in your audience talking about what it would be like to live without a twin. And I've done some bereavement studies that show that the loss of a twin is probably the most devastating event that twins ever undergo, and does seem to be a little more difficult for identicals and fraternals, which mirrors what we see in terms of twin relationships. I think that studying social relations between twins, why they get along so well, can help us understand behavior in so many areas. It can help us to understand who we get along with and why we prefer our friendships, why we choose the mates that we do, our marriages, who we play team sports with. I think that has many, many implications and applications for the non-twin world.